Hello guys, this is Rajita again from IPT Brisbane. Today I would like to highlight what has changed about the PTE academic test format. However, first let's talk about what's not changing. First and foremost thing, the test difficulty level remains same. Secondly, the question types will not change. Last but not the least, the score requirement will remain same. Now, let's talk about the significant changes that have been made in PTE academic test format. From now, it will be a 2-hour test with no breaks in between as such, whereas prior to this, Pearson needs to provide with a 10 minutes optional break that comes after the reading module and before listening module. Moreover, appearance of the test report will change, as you will no longer receive any of the scores that falls under the category of skills or enabling skills section. Guys, another major change is with number of questions, as the total proportion of question has reduced from 82 to 64 questions approximately. As per the improvised test timing changes, part 1 will be devoted towards speaking and writing, and it will be scheduled for about 54 to 67 minutes. Part 2 will be devoted towards reading, where you will get approximately 29 to 30 minutes to solve the questions. And on the other hand, part 3 will be devoted towards listening, where you will get 8 tasks and it will take about 30 to 43 minutes to attempt that session. Alrighty, now let's talk about the overview of the questions. In the speaking module, read aloud and repeat sentence, number of questions will remain same. However, describe image, read a lecture and answer short questions, for that, the number of questions have been reduced. In writing module, there is not even a possibility of getting third question for summary. And on the other hand, only one essay question will be posed there. Let's talk about reading module. The proportion of fill in the blanks and reorder paragraphs remains same. On the other hand, number of MCQs have been reduced. Now let's talk about listening module, which is adjudged to be one of the toughest module for PTE Pearson test. In terms of summary, you won't be getting any third question, you will hardly get 1 to 2 questions. And for the questions such as write from dictation, fill in the blanks and highlight incorrect words, the proportion will remain same. So guys, that was all about your new PTE test. So guys, if you need any further information about new IPT Pro software, as well as if you want to practice, please follow us on Facebook as well as on Instagram, and feel free to give us a call. We're more than happy to help you with it. Thank you so much.